welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I got this easy 4x4 closure install using just Got2b free spray. So after already going in and cleaning my perimeter with alcohol, I'm going in with my Got2b glue and I'm just gelling my edges back. But towards the sides, I like to still leave those out since I'm doing a 4x4 closure to give it that natural look, which is why I don't do baby hairs when I do my 4x4 closure, because it just looks more natural when you just have it on the sides. So as you can see, I'm swooping my edges like how I regularly do when I have my natural hair out. And it just gives the natural look like I said before. But at the top, I make sure I swoop my edges back because that's where the 4x4 is going to be laying, because a 4x4 closure is very small. So that area is what you really need to focus on, just to make sure it's sleek and it's blended, because you do not just want a big chunk of lace showing once you lay your wig down. So now, since I already swooped my edges, I like to pull my wig cap all the way to the front past my edges and hold my wig cap down and push it back. Going in with my contour powder palette from Amazon, I am now going to be placing this onto my lace. So once I begin to lay the wig down, it'll be transparent and it'll give it that scalp effect. I use the medium shade. And I'm also putting the powder onto my wig cap as well. When I put on my wig, I always put the clip in the back under my wig cap, because when I do that and I start laying my wig with the Got2b free spray, it lays exactly where it needs to be. Now I'm going to be clipping my hair to the side so it doesn't get in the way when I'm cutting the lace, because I'm telling you right now, that's the most annoying shit ever, to have to keep pushing your hair out the way when you're in the middle of cutting. Going in with my scissors, I'm just going to cut straight down the middle, because it's way easier when you're working into two sections when you start cutting with your razor. Going in with my Got2b gel, I'm now going to start placing it where I know I'm going to blow dry down the wig in the Got2b spray. I always make sure my flaps are still pointed up, because that's what I know I'm cutting and getting rid of with the razor. When I blow dry my glue down, I just make sure it's tacky. Once you feel it and you feel that it's tacky, that means it's ready for you to just stick it down. First, I start going in with my comb and I'm just making sure I'm forcing down my lace onto that glue, and I continue flipping that flap up, because that's exactly the lace that I'm getting rid of, like that exact amount. And when I go in with the razor, it's just easier because it already has that jagged cut on the edges, and you just make sure you're not cutting down a straight line and make sure it's uneven. It gives it that more natural effect, if that makes sense. eyeliner brush, I just go straight down the line with my concealer shade, or sometimes I go a shade lighter like I did right here so it looks more natural, and I just blend that out so you know you don't see the lace cap.